Hello friends, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. So ipapakita po natin ngayon kung paano po mag-register dito sa Matic Fortune. So how to register, simply just first long press the referral link of your sponsor. Okay, wag nyong i-click directly. Ang gagawin nyo, ilo-long press nyo talaga, tulad nito. Yan. Tapos paglabas ng copy, click copy. And then go to your Trust Wallet. So click your Trust Wallet and see to it na merong Matic or Polygon yung ano nyo, yung wallet nyo. Tulad nito, meron akong 6 Matic. Okay? Kung wala kayong Matic, bumili po kayo ng Matic sa mga members na merong Matic. Mura lang po. I-click natin yung browser. And then, nasa taas, ipipaste po ninyo rito yung referral link ng sponsor nyo. Ayan. And before you click connect, sa itaas, on the upper right, may makikita kayong 3 dots. I-click po ninyo yan. Just click it. And yung EVM chain, Ethereum, you will change that into Polygon. So just click the EVM chain. And click Matic. Ayan. And then click connect. So you can see guys, naka-Polygon po siya kasi na-set na po natin into Polygon. So just click connect. Ayan, makikita po ninyo yung wallet address nyo na Polygon. At sa baba, makikita nyo kung sino yung nag-refer. Makikita nyo yung kanyang wallet address. So ang gagawin po natin is i-register natin. Let us click register to Matic, the color green. Ito, i-click natin. Okay, and click approve. Nagbabasa pa po siya ang system. Antay lang po tayo sandali. Error with transaction error occurred. Okay, check in transaction, please refresh. I-refresh muna natin, may error. Okay, so click the upper right, yung 3 dots. Click reload and connect wallet again. Ayan, nakapasok na pala siya guys. So our deposit has actually entered. It only needs refresh or reload. So you can see it here guys. Active matrix parent, makikita po natin. Ayun, smart contract call executed. Uy, we already have dividends. New dividends available is 0.00001 Matic. Napakaganda ng system na ito guys kasi instant po yung system. Your earnings will be sent automatically into your wallet. No need to click withdraw. The only thing that you need to click withdraw is here, our new dividends. That's the only thing that you need to click withdraw. So guys, I'm inviting everyone to join this wonderful opportunity, Matic Fortune. This will be your gateway to financial freedom guys. So thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.